today. I'm Jana,
I'm Ryan Erland.
and we're AirTech consulting firm CEOs. AirTech stands for Air Implementation and Recycling, and we're a consultation firm based on the East Coast that is going to help businesses and residents go green by using wind power. This is our group. We have us, Rachel, Angela, Chris, Luis, and Brandon.
So, as Josh stated, we're a consulting firm, but we help. We design small residential-sized air turbines for at-home applications for anyone who might want one on the East Coast to help. It can help someone lower their electricity bill or completely take them off the grid, and they'll have no electricity bill, and then within a few years they can actually be making money off of the turbine that we would install by selling it back to the local electric company.
This is our management structure chart. At the upper level management is Ryan and I at CEO. Our job is basically to make sure that the company follows the business plan. We change the business plan if it's necessary, and we follow our vision. We're responsible for most of the big decisions in the company, but we also take into account the middle manager, Luis's decisions, and he basically runs through the business. Head of finance is Angela Sabino. She makes sure our company stays afloat, because at the end of the day, a business needs to make money.
Brandon Wagner is he's our head electrical engineer and our only electrical engineer. We are looking to hire more. As designing electrical turbines, we need more than ever. Then Rachel English is our mechanical engineering consultant. Chris Duffy is our civil engineering consultant. They both go out into the field, talk with customers, and survey the potential sites for turbines.
So we're going to bring in Rachel English to talk about our business plan for our company.
Okay, so the only way for our company to succeed is with the help of partners. AirTech partners with companies in the Northeast, and they manufacture, deliver, and install the turbines. Listed below, we have 3 of the main companies that we work with. The Northern Power Systems, they provide hybrid wind diesel systems, and they're located in Vermont. Urban Green Energy have vertical axis wind turbines. They also have wind energy components, and they're located in New York. And finally, Turning Mill Energy, they provide vertical wind turbines, and their location is in Massachusetts.
Okay, for customer interface, the AirTech customer service team is helpful for getting insight on telling customers which size turbine and how powerful their turbine should be. The AirTech customers can also go online to access their data to figure out how efficient their turbine is and the energy output of their turbine. They can also use this data to figure out if they want to upgrade or downgrade, just to see overall how effective their turbine truly is.
So now, Luis come in and talk to you about our website customer service as middle manager. He, on top of making sure me and Jana make the right decisions, he handles a lot of the marketing and making sure people know who we are.
So as a startup company, it's very important for us to be there every step of the way for our new potential clients and investors. One of the ways we do that is through our interface, which is our website. In there you can find a lot of things about us. You can find us, our mission statement, and how we came to be in our About Us link. But more important, you can also find the contact link where we're available 24/7 via email, via phone number. As you're going to see, a lot of companies are trying to expand from the west to the east, and we're one of those companies that is helping that transition happen. And because of that time difference, we're not always going to be there. But because of that contact link, they can just send us emails, and the next day we can get back to them with quotes and the information they need to know about our company. And we're just there for our clients every step of the way.
So next we have Brandon to talk about the market analysis and a little bit about our economics and environmental impact.
So for the economic part of the market, our wind turbines will be around the United States, mainly on the East Coast, which would remove the need to import oil from other countries. And building and maintaining these wind turbines would create jobs in the United States. There'd be a lot less outsourcing to be building them in other countries. And there'd be more of a price stability with maintaining this sort of energy. And oil tends to fluctuate in price throughout the year. For the environmental part of the market analysis, eliminating fuel use in the United States would greatly improve the air quality. The use of wind turbines also will not pollute the air, as well as with pollution. When using fuel as the main source of energy, there's a lot of mining which would be greatly reduced with the use of the wind power. And as you can see, currently the wind density is heavily on the west coast, and we're trying to bring it to the east coast.
Next, we're going to bring in Angela Sabino to discuss the customers and kind of how we're going to appeal to them to make our business successful.
Okay, so as we know, for any business, it's important to appeal to a broad amount of customers and show growth in the industry. To do this, we researched and found that wind power is projected to double over the next 5 years with new innovations, which we plan on being at the forefront of. Currently, 4.5% of America's electricity is powered by wind energy. The White House released a report saying that this number will grow to 20% by the year 2030. The cost of wind power is decreasing rapidly, appealing to customers who are looking to go into that industry, way to get power. It also reduces the carbon footprint, which many of our customers are interested in. To put it into perspective, in 2013, carbon pollution was reduced by 150 million metric tons, which is like taking 25 million cars' carbon emissions out of the environment. They will also be saving money. Payback is expected to be less than 5 years. And for our large businesses that look to be our customers, the environmental responsibility looks good to their clients and customers.
Okay, so to talk a little bit about our profits and losses. Our losses in the beginning of our business. For our facilities, we plan to spend about $30,000 a year. Supplies, we'll only have to resupply every 5 years, which will probably be around $55,000. We just want to resupply every 5 years just to make sure we're staying on top of our game and we're up with the new technology and everything. And then our salaries, we'll have to pay around $800,000 a year. And at year one, our profit we expect to be mainly coming from commercial wind energy, which would be around $487,000 a year. And from residential, we expect to make about $270,000 a year. And we're planning for this to increase about 15% each year. As our business grows, salaries and benefits will also go up as we have to hire more employees. So we expect our profit to increase as well as the amount of money we have to spend for salaries and benefits. And we plan for our company to break even and become profitable at around 3 years. This is a balance sheet at year one. As you can see, it's just pretty much everything that I just went over previously, our inventories, equipment, and our salaries, and our profits.
Okay, so with the help of Luis, we're gonna discuss our investors, how we're gonna appeal to them.
So being such a small company and a startup, we heavily rely currently on investors who are looking out for our future to make sure that we will make it, and as Chris just stated, have our profits within three to 4 years. And
So, the most important thing that we want to appeal on our investors and clients is that, as you can see by the previous map, the market is predominantly in the West right now, but that is because they don't have the same visions as we do. They focus on the bigger turbines, as we appeal more to that eastern looking turbine, the smaller, the Darius Avonius looking turbine, in which we don't want to produce as much energy, but we want to still give our clients a solid amount of energy for their businesses and power saving expenses. So it's a great time to invest. The shift is happening, and I think Airtech Companies is going to be one of the first companies that are going to be leading the way to this new air mandate revolution.
Any questions?
Say in closing.
I was,
think we're
it
good.
was a joke.
Can I just say
say
thank you for watching?
Yeah.
Okay, so thank you for watching. Again, we're Airtech Consulting Firm. We hope you enjoyed our presentation.